So I ordered these nail soak off things a while ago, I believe from I want to say Amazon for like $1 or two. And I never used them because once I received them, I just didn't think that they worked or would keep the liquid in and how. But I decided to try one a day to start soaking off. I broke this thumbnail in half, so I need to get the acrylic off the rest of my nail. So what I did was put the pink thing on first, and then in the plastic part I poured acetone inside, and then I dunked my thumb down, in here so it'd connect to the pink, and made sure it was connected nice and tight. And it is not spilling out or anything. Like, the liquid is staying in there. I didn't put much because I was a little afraid of if it was going to work or start to spill, but it is just enough for it to soak off the acrylic on the bottom of my nail, and I could start to remove it. But you can kind of see the liquid in the inside, and it's not falling out underneath at all. Pretty cool.